I'm so sick and tired of all these fast food restaurants not having halal chicken burgers, so I decided to make myself a KFC-style zinger burger, or chicken burger as you'd like to call it. So I marinated the chicken in 2 cups of buttermilk with all the spices listed on the screen. In this recipe, I use chicken thigh, but you can use chicken recipe like. Sometimes I just want a fat chicken burger from KFC or McDonald's, but they're not halal here. And it's so frustrating. Like, what are you doing, McDonald's? Why can't you guys come up with halal food? It's 2023. I mean, a lot of places have opened up here with halal options, but it's not the same as wanting McDonald's or KFC. Anyways, so now I just prepared the dry batter, which is basically some flour and a bunch of seasonings, because in this household, we don't do no unseasoned food. Nuh-uh. After the dry batter is made, you're just going to take the chicken that you marinated and basically coat it in the dry batter. A lot of people have asked me in the past how I get the batter to not fall up after it's fried. Honestly, God just loves me a lot more than you. Okay, fine. You know what? I'm such a nice and giving person, so I'll give you this tip too. When you're coating the flour, just make sure you're squeezing really hard and pressing that flour into the chicken so it doesn't fall off, and let it rest for at least 10 minutes before frying. Now we're just going to fry the chicken in some hot oil until it's golden brown, or leave it raw so the people that you're cooking for never ask you to cook for them again. Now that I've finally cracked the code to the best chicken burger in the world, I think I'm going to start my own fast food chain. Comment below with what you think I should call it. Well, that's all there is really to this. Now you just got to assemble. I'm just going to take some brioche bun, slap on some mayo, some lettuce, you can add some cheese, add the chicken. And that's pretty much it. This is going to be the best burger of your entire life. You're going to be so happy after eating this. You're not going to even be this happy on your own wedding. I'm not joking. This recipe is so good, it's going to wake up Colonel Sanders from his grave. Okay, bye!